Okay guys, welcome again on a new method on how to make money online. So guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the best app that you can make use of to earn reasonable amount of money. But for we to access this app that I'm going to share with you, all you just have to do is for we to go to our Play Store right away, for we to know the app that we are going to make use of to earn money every single day, as little as 500 naira. And I know you may be thinking that 500 naira is a little amount of money, but if you can be saving 500 naira every single day, by the end of the month you will realize 15,000 naira, of which 15,000 naira as a side also side income can buy you a lot of things in Nigeria right now. Because I used to say this always, Nigeria is not a funny place for us to joke. When we see an opportunity for we to earn an extra cash, all we just have to do is for we to key into it and make sure we explore and make reasonable amount of money to support ourselves and loved ones. So guys, join me as I walk you through on how you can make that money on this app that I'm going to reveal to you. So guys, let's go to our Play Store. Let me show you the app name. So guys, as you can see over here, this is my Play Store because I'm an Android user, and if you are an iPhone user, all you just have to do is for you to go to your Apple Store and type in Pawns.app. This app will pop up over here. This app will pop up, and as you can see, I've installed mine. But for we to click on this app, first of all, let's see what people that are here before us, people that are making use of this app, let's see what they said, what they said about this app. And as you can see over here, they have over 1 million plus download. More than 1 million people have downloaded this app. They are making use of this app. So guys, all you just have to do is for we to download this app and make sure we see what, okay, first of all, let's see what people that are here before us, what they said about this app. So let's scroll down and see what they said about this app over here. So let's click on it. Let's scroll down. Let's go down. Over here you can see amazing app, highly recommend this money making app due to its track record of successful dollar withdrawals. So let's scroll down again. The features are even cooler. I didn't really think that the longer the features get more attractive, even though I have been a subscriber. People are saying good things about this app over here. You can see over here 38 people found this comment over here helpful. So guys, let's open this app. Let's see what they have to offer. And guys, if you have seen this app, if you are making use of this app before, don't leave this video, because there are some things that this app is doing that you know nothing about. Just watch this video carefully, watch it carefully, and make sure you didn't miss any part, because I'm going to share with you some tricks that you can use to earn money on this platform. If you don't like this app, all you just have to do is for you to keep watching, because at the end of this video I'm going to share with you another website that you can earn up to $2 every single day as an average Nigeria, or as an outside Nigeria. So guys, first of all, let's explore this app and see what they have to offer. So guys, let's click on the open button. So guys, when you click on the open button over here, they will take you to a little form that you are going to fill for you to sign up on this platform, guys. And when you make sure you fill in your name correctly, and when you get to the referral option, all you just have to do is for you to input the code that is displaying on the phone screen right away. Just make sure that you sign up with this code, because when you sign up with this code, you are going to earn $3 on the platform, guys. And when you sign up and sign in, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Over here you can see they are running an advert over here: complete 10 exclusive surveys and get $5 extra. That means when you complete 10 exclusive surveys on this platform, you are going to get $5 extra, as extra on the platform. You can see 5 days, 9 hours and 0 minutes remaining for this promo to get expired. All you just have to do is for you to key onto it now. Just key to it and make sure you make it happen. The first thing that you can do to earn money on this platform is for you to share your internet. Over here you can see traffic shared. You can see when you shared your internet, when you shared your data on this platform, you are going to what? Get paid. And number two is for you to fill in some service, and when you access some service, you are going to what? Get paid. Guys, over here you can see this is my balance. Over here I have $0.200 on this platform, guys, and you can see the minimum payout amount is $5. When you get up to $5, you are going to what? Get paid directly to your local bank account. And when you sign up with my referral link, they are going to give you $3. And when you have $3, you need additional $2 for you to withdraw on this platform. So guys, let's click on the service and see what they looks like. So let's click on this service icon over here. So guys, this are the service that they have over here, exclusive, which is $0.03. You, when you do this service, you are going to earn 3 cents on this platform. And why this one is what? 20 cents, 4 cents, 8 cents, so on and so forth. When you do this over and over again, you can realize enough money for yourself. So guys, let's click on this earn more. Let's see what we are going to do for we to earn more on the platform. So let's click on this earn more icon. So guys, you can see just bring a friend via option listed below. So that means when you bring a friend via your referral code, via your referral link, via your unique video, because they have a video that will introduce the website itself or the app itself for people to know and sign up to the platform. They have URL code also and social media posts, because they have a video that they are going to show to people, to your friends, your relatives, for them to sign up to this what platform. And over, you can see get $3 now when you what refer a person on this what platform. So guys, you can see how much can I earn by sharing 1 gig on this platform. The Pawns app will pay you $0.20 per 1 gig of shared internet connection. So that means when you shared up to 1 gig on this platform, you are going to earn $0.20. And I know you may be wondering that it's a chicken chain. Yes, it's a chicken chain, but guys, there are some app websites that you can buy 1 gig for 200 naira, and of which this $0.20 is equal to, is almost 300 naira. 300 naira minus 200 naira that you use in buying gig, you are left with what? 100 naira. Guys, when you can do this over and over again, instead of you to be wasting your data, this app, when you use up to 1 gig on this platform, you are going to earn 300 what naira. So guys, and when you realize your $5, and when you want to withdraw your money, all you just have to do is for you to click on this settings icon over here. You click on this settings button over here. When you click on the settings button, you click on payout icon. You click on this payout. As you can see, I still have $0.200 over here as my earnings for today. All you just have to do is when you get to the $5, all you just have to do is for you to click on the request payout. Let's click on it. Let's see. You see over here they said keep earning. You can do it. The minimum payout is $5. So don't stop sharing your internet and completing service. You are almost there. So guys, when you can do this over and over again, you can earn reasonable amount of money for yourself. So guys, and if you find this video interesting, please kindly like my video and click on the subscribe button. So let's go. App doesn't worth your time. All you just have to do is for you to continue watching this video. I'm going to share with you now website that you can make up to $2 every single day as an average Nigeria or outside Nigeria. So guys, let's go. Let me show you the website so that you can make use of an unreasonable amount of money for yourself. So guys, as you can see, my account balance now is $2.58 over here, and you know, dollar to Nigeria now is almost 1,450. 250. That means I earn almost 4,000 naira here on this platform. So guys, this platform, I've done a full tutorial about this website already. You just have to do, when if you find this video interesting and if you are interested to sign up on this platform, all you just have to do is for you to click on the second link on the video description. Just go to the video and watch it over and over again, and you sign up to the website, and you will start making reasonable amount of money. So guys, let me show you the name of the website. As you can see guys, the name of this website is called Star Clinks over here. And what can you do on this platform for you to earn your daily income? All you just have to do is for you to watch ads that won't take you 10 to 15 seconds, and you will earn reasonable amount of money. And you click on this PPC ads over here. Click on the PPC ads. Click on the PPC ads and you scroll downward. Over here you can see they are congratulating me. It said you have successfully completed the available ads for silver membership. Return tomorrow or upgrade your membership to click more ads today. Now I'm done with my tax for today because I've watched the ads for today. That is why I earn up to $2 plus on this platform. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do that now so that you won't miss any video about making money online. So guys, kindly like this video and share this video to your loved ones. This is the end of my video. Till we meet again, until then, bye bye for now. Peace, and make sure you share the video to your loved ones. Bye.